friends, myself Neeti Shukla. I am from SIRT Institute, Bhopal. I will teach you TOC, Theory of Computation. This is my fourth lecture, and in this lecture, I will teach you how to convert NFA to DFA. In the previous lecture, I will teach you how to design DFA. Okay, NFA says, listen, finite automata is of two types. One is without output and one is with output. In without output, we have to study DFA and NFA. DFA is deterministic finite automata and NFA is non-deterministic finite automata. Okay. In NFA, we also have to learn NFA with epsilon. Okay. Now, in without output, we have to learn two things. One is Moore machine and other one is Millet machine. Okay, in finite automata, we have to learn these things in unit 1. Okay, in the previous lectures, I have to teach you what is finite automata and what is DFA, deterministic finite automata. Okay, now in this lecture, I will teach you how NFA is converted into DFA, because few questions, few numericals, few machines, when we go to design a DFA, it's not possible to design a DFA for all the problems, for all the series, for all the strings. So it makes NFA and we have to convert that NFA into DFA. Okay, now let's start. So we have to start with conversion of NFA to DFA. Then what is NFA? What is NFA? NFA is non-deterministic finite automata. Now, let's take an example. Here is the example. We have a machine with 3 states, A, B, and C. In this, we have 3 machines, 3 states, A, B, and C. And A is we read 0 from A and goes to A. Read 0 from A goes to B, and read 1 from B and goes to C. C is our final states. Final state shows with double circle. Okay, and initial state shows with this arrow. Okay, this is initial state, this is final state. Now, we have to convert this NFA into DFA. How we know that this is an NFA machine? Because when from any state, we read same input and go to other states, multiple states, then it's called NFA. From A, we read 0 and go to A, or from A, we read 0 and go to B state. From A, we read same input 0 and goes to different 2 states. One is A and one is B. When from any state we read same input and goes to multiple states, then it's called NFA. And from transition table, we can also decide it is an NFA machine. Let's see. If we want to convert NFA to DFA, the first step is draw a transition table. Okay, because due to from transition table we can convert the NFA to DFA. Now we have to make a transition table of this NFA. Okay, and in this NFA we have three states A, B, and C, and we have only two inputs, that is 0 and 1. Okay, now shall we start? Read 0 from A and goes to A. A से 0 पढ़ के A पे गए. Read 0 from A and goes to B. Okay. अब A से 0 पढ़ के हम B पे भी जा रहे हैं. From A we read 0 and goes to multiple states, and it's called NFA. ठीक है? If we go on a single state, then it is DFA. But if we goes multiple states from a single state, okay, then it's called NFA. Now we are not reading A, but we are not reading 1 from A. So there is dash. We are not reading 0 from B. There is also a dash. We are reading 1 from B and goes to C. B से 1 पढ़ के C पे जा रहे हैं. Okay, and from in this C state, we are not reading either 0 or 1. Okay, neither 0 or not 1. But here dash and dash. Okay, C से हम कुछ नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, ना 0 ना 1. यहाँ dash आ जाएगा. Okay, this is a transition table of this NFA, and we can see that in this block we got multiple states. We got 2 states. Okay, we got 2 states. If we got only 1 state, then it is DFA. But if we get more than 1 state, then it is NFA. Okay, now we have to design a DFA from this transition table. Okay, let's start. Okay, so in transition table, initial state shows by this arrow and final state shows by this circle. So initial state is A and the final state is C. Now let's start. Initial state is A. Now A से 0 पढ़ के हम कहाँ गए? A B पे, है ना? So from A we read 0 and goes to a state called AB, and we are not reading 1 from A. Okay. Now we get what? We get a new state called AB. Now we have to read inputs from AB. Okay. Now अब हमें एक नई state मिल गई. अब हमें inputs इससे पढ़ना है. Okay. Now we have to take both the states simultaneously, because we get a state called AB. Now we start with AB. AB से 0 पढ़ के AB पे जा रहे हैं, तो dash है, AB पे जा रहे हैं. Okay, we have to take both the states simultaneously. AB read 0 and goes to AB. So we make a self loop on AB. Okay, from AB we read 1 and goes to C. There is a dash, there is a C. So we goes to C. Now I am going to C. Okay, this is a C. Okay, third state. Okay, and now we get a new state called C. We have to read in all the inputs 0 and 1 from this state. Okay, now C, read 0 from C, we go and not nowhere, and from 1 we goes nowhere. So this is our DFA. C is the final state. C is the final state. Now this is our DFA. Okay, DFA. This is our NFA, and we convert the NFA into DFA. Got it? Now we can take another example. Okay. Yes, the other example is, there is also 3 states P, Q and R. R is a final state. Okay, we read A, B from P, then again read A from P to Q. Okay, from Q we read A to R, and from R we read A comma B. Okay, see, this is our NFA. Why? Because P से हम A पढ़ के P पे भी जा रहे हैं, P से हम A पढ़ के Q पे भी जा रहे हैं. सेम स्टेट से सेम इनपुट पढ़ के अगर हम एक से ज्यादा स्टेट्स पे जाते हैं, that becomes NFA. Okay, ठीक है, तो ये NFA. अब NFA को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए DFA में, है ना, for converting NFA to DFA we have to draw a transition table. This is our step 1. So our step 1 is draw a transition table for converting NFA to DFA. I am drawing this. Q is state, sigma is inputs. We have 2 inputs, A and B. We have 3 states, P, Q and R. Okay. Now, P से A पढ़ के P पे गए, P से A पढ़ के Q पे गए. So it's P comma Q. P से B पढ़ के P पे गए, so it's P. Q से A पढ़ के R पे जा रहे हैं. Q से हम B पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं, this is dash. Now R से A पढ़ के R पे, R से B पढ़ के R पे. Okay, this becomes our transition table of this NFA. Now we have to convert this NFA to DFA. So start. This is our initial state and this is our final state. Sometimes in the exam we are in the question paper, the only given transition table is only given, and you have to convert this transition table of NFA into DFA machine. Okay, so you have to know what you have to understand this transition table. This is initial state, this is final state. Okay, now start. Initial state is P. There is a given initial state is P. Hannah, from we have to read A from P. We read A from P and goes to a new state called PQ. And we read B from P and goes to P itself. So there is a self loop of B on P. That's clear? Now, we have one new state PQ. We have to take these 2 states simultaneously and read these 2 inputs. Okay, इन दोनों को साथ में लेंगे और ये दोनों input पढ़ेंगे हम A और B के. PQ से A पढ़कर PQR पे जा रहे हैं. PQ से A पढ़कर PQ और R पे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या मिला है? हमें मिला है एक नई state called, I will draw this way. Okay, एक नई state called P, Q and R. Okay, PQ से B पढ़ के P पे जा रहे हैं, तो PQ से B पढ़ के P पे जा रहे हैं. Okay, we draw a back arrow from PQ to B. Now we get a new state called PQR. Now we have to take these 3 states simultaneously. Okay, and read these 2 inputs A and B. PQR को साथ में लेंगे और ये इस इनपुट को पढ़ेंगे. PQR से A पढ़ के PQRR, मतलब PQR पे जा रहे हैं. Simple self loop of A, क्योंकि PQR से PQR पे जा रहे हैं. So simple. Now PQR से B पढ़ के PR पे जा रहे हैं. So this we get a new state called PR. We read B from PQR and go to next state called PR. So we get a new state PR. We have to read A and B inputs from PR. PR. PR से A पढ़ के PQR पे जा रहे हैं. So it's like this. A पढ़ लिया. PR से B पढ़ के PR पे जा रहे हैं. It becomes self loop of B. This. Now we are not getting any new state. अब हमें कोई नई state नहीं मिली, मतलब हमारा DFA बन गया है. Okay, ये है हमारा DFA. Okay, we convert the NFA to DFA. This becomes our new DFA of this NFA machine. Got it? In the next lecture, I will teach you NFA epsilon, NFA with epsilon, and how NFA with I will teach you how we convert NFA with epsilon to DFA. Okay? Thank you.